I will move them. I will move them.
I can't because you rammed me, idiot. Fucking hell.
Look at this way then.
The fuck we're going
Why
here?
are we going this way?
I don't
Jesus
know.
Christ.
I
Did you think you really are retarded?
Well, I thought it looked cool. It kind of looked like a chocolate mudslide.
Right, stop the logic before we go over this hill. Stop it, stop it. Reverse, reverse. Stop.
Alright, we're good here.
Wait, bitch. Rally point going down. Someone get on me.
Hey, I would not go direct east. I would probably go with 9 because they do have fortifications on the radio tower.
Go. Just shut up, bitch. Go up to 9. Go reverse and move up. Keep pushing my move, Mark. Mother nigger. I can't say that word.
You
Whoa.
can you do the voice? Yes.
Villager news. Oh shit.
Squad member, get on my retarded ass.
Alright, get out of here.
Squad member on me to put down a real fucking rally point and I need an ammo back on me.
Go up to the tank and steal off ammo from
Right,
him.
but put that down, you monkey cock.
If you are down, respawn at the rally, move up to the observe mark. Remain stationary at the
Which observe mark?
Enemies back in the bunker, fuck it.
The squad leader one, fuck you Charlie, fuck you Bravo, fuck those ones, go on mine. Sick of you fucking spastics, get on me.
You're just gonna leave your guy? You fucking coward.
Okay, Commander, shout. I mean, we're getting digged down here. We need to regroup, kill these fucking infantry, and push towards the fucking retards.
You put the rally in a completely open spot.
I put the what?
The rally in a completely open spot.
It's a desert, you retard. Where the fuck do you want me to put it?
In the bushes.
Fuck you.
Squad lead, can you tell 2 to stop being dumb and shoot the people?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Spawn,
It's
hold spawn.
compromised
Shut the
and
fuck up
there's
and
no
hold the spawn.
FOB.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, hold the spawn. Give me.
I'm so glad I joined the squad. Hey sir, I think I'm pretty close. I just ran past the truck I blew up.
Stop loading shit in and out of this fucking vehicle, you retard. Oh, fucking. Oh, okay, I'm not saying it. It's just special. Stop loading it. Stop, unload the shit before I'm your ass in fucking squad. Right, not all of it. Stop touching it. Stop touching it. Stop.
Are you guys stealing the ammo from the fob just to get blown up halfway there?
Just give me a second. My squad's being retarded on our.
This is really.
I'm sure you've done it before, Dougal, but if you reply in your villager voice, it would be so funny.
Then out.
Squad 2, do you need me to find you some tampons?
What the heck?
Are you menstruating, Squad 2? Is it your time? Is it your time of the month?
Wait a sec, wait. Let me in.
It's too small. It's small.
Who the fuck are you? You're not in my squad, bro.
No,
Fuck off.
there's no seats.
There's no seats, my friend.
He sounded foreign, I didn't want him anyway.
More foreign than you?
These can't go in the water.
lodges are not amphibious.
No!
If you believe it.
You tricked me, boy. Who the fuck said this is amphibious?
Do you want someone else to drive?
You said get another amphibious vehicle, stating that the one you were in is amphibious.
Shut the fuck up, motherfucker. Don't call my bullshit out.
Yesterday I ordered a mega hat from Amazon.
That's cool. Why?
Yesterday I had hemorrhoid.
But seriously, on I-4 there's a big blue penis.
A very big
I
penis.
don't care. Can we boys, everyone listen now. I'm a bit stressed out. Can we all please push fucking scrap
Get out. We
Everybody,
didn't
single
get
file.
anything done there.
Conga line.
We've taken and
Conga,
lost the
conga,
fucking point
conga.
3 times.
Conga, conga, conga. Conga, conga, conga. Conga,
Yeah,
conga,
why
conga.
If I had 2 bullets, I could either kill Stalin or you and shoot you twice.
That's gonna be hilarious.
Get low, get
Right,
low.
can we use the fucking local chat if you're speaking local? Because I speak to 50 fuckers at once and I can't hear this shit. I'm gonna kick you from the fucking square.
Meow.